No i witam. I bez zbędnego gadania, teraz musimy ponieść ciężar naszych wyborów z poprzednich epizodów, bo to jest właśnie ostatni epizod The Walking Dead. Ten dokończony już przez inne studio, który miał się nigdy nie pojawić. Pojawił się jednak. Jesteśmy na żywo na Twitch, na który oczywiście zapraszam, żeby wpadać. Będzie teraz płacz, będą łzy i w ogóle będzie... Tak to będzie. Epizod 4. Take Us Back. Czyli ostatni. No to akcja.
Last time on The Walking Dead. Since I can remember, Clem's always been there with me. She taught me to be careful, to be quiet, to be strong, to save the last bullet for myself, to kill people that try and hurt us, to show mercy sometimes. I always listen to Clem, always, but I've been thinking more. I don't know if she's right every time. She told me to shoot her if she got bit. That doesn't feel right. We're doing a lot of bad things to save our friends, to protect our home. And when Clem told me to shoot Lily, I got mad. So mad. I don't know what I feel anymore. I don't know if Clem knows either. But I remember all the rules. And the first one is never go alone.
Siema Dudi. Ile się... O. O kurde. Tak, przy ładowaniu obciąża jakoś encoder strasznie.
Hang on! I'm coming! AJ, you have to trust me. On the count of 3, let go and I'll catch you. Promise? Promise. 1, 2, 3. Hurry, Clem. I'm slipping. Please, Clem. Now what? We need to find a way down. This ship isn't gonna stay afloat much longer. There! We can climb down from there. Well, we have to get there first. Okay, we've got to jump. It's far. I know it's far, but it's the only way. You'll have to go first. You'll need a running start. I don't know, Clem.
Szybciej,
don't have time to
szybciej,
hesitate.
szybciej, szybciej,
We
szybciej.
need to jump now. AJ, what do we do when we're scared? Fuck off, fear. Attaboy. Come on, Clem. Get to the pier. I'll meet you there. I'm not going to leave you. There's nothing you can do. I'll find a way there. Now go! Hurry!
Kurde, zaczęło się Michaelowo-Bayowo. Dużo wybuchów.
Got something.
Jeszcze ten.
Where do you think you're going? No way, you're just walking out of here. Why people think you could just leave? Fuck you!
No i tak właśnie skończył się. Tak się właśnie kończy The Walking Dead. No to tyle. Cóż mogę powiedzieć? Dramatyczna przygoda. Prawda? Zero nadziei dla ludzkości. No.
Where do you think you're going? No way, you're just walking out of here. Why people think you could just leave? Fuck you!
Come on!
Nice. I cyk, demonetyzacja na YouTubie. No, zaczęło się z przytupem. To jak się skończy?
Sometimes I don't know where this dirty road is taking me. Sometimes I don't know the reason why. So I guess I'll keep gambling, lots of moves and lots of rambling. Well, it's easier than just waiting around to die.
Siema Kicej.
Louis! You made it! I'm really sorry about your tongue. But at least you're still alive.
You have no idea how happy I am to see you right now.
Ten co mu język użli.
Get the fuck off of me!
Are you okay?
Yeah, my ass is a little singed, but I'm good. Fuck. I can't believe that worked. Lou,
What happened to Minnie?
I don't know. I lost track after the explosion. Clem!
O kurde.
Oh, thank God. You guys made it.
There's more walkers than I can count. That explosion drew them right to us.
Stay cool. We knew this would happen. We just have to get off this beach.
Aha.
Look! We brought the cart around.
Ruby! Willie!
Come on! We're getting out of here! There's no end to these little shits! Put them down!
Shit! Clem, do something!
Ci jeszcze miałem czas do tych strzelać, serio. Oj, to tyle z mojej strony.
You!
No. Oto ta.
No! Get away from her!
A tej to, ta to pamiętamy co zrobiła, nie? Bitch.
The hell is she doing? She's gonna get herself killed.
Oh my God!
We've got to break for it, now! Everyone run for the cart. I'll stay back and cover you. I'll be right behind you. The second I see an opening, I'll make a break for it.
I'll see you on the other side.
Buzi, buzi.
Damn right. AJ, go with them.
No, I'm staying with you.
Thanks, kiddo.
Siema, zadyma. O, Jerona. Ale dobry jestem. Jaj. O, panie.
Clementine! Fuck you!
No, sorry.
Shit!
Your knife is missing. Nice.
Tin! Go!
Aha, sorry. No, pauza na... Tak.
James!
Piękniś. Miłośnik zombiaków.
We have to move.
We'll have to squeeze
Siema,
through here.
Dogmeat.
We don't know where it goes.
Well, we do know there's walkers in the other direction.
But
Move it, dummy!
I saw his eyes when he did it. I saw the bloodlust in them.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. Go.
Zombie to też ludzie. Byli kiedyś.
We're safe, but not for long. Damn it. It's so dark in here.
We can't move forward without a way to see.
Siema, węgielek.
I'll figure something out.
Zaraz coś figured out tuje.
Perfect. Flint. I need something to burn.
Tam raczej lipa.
It's so dark in here.
I'm working on it.
It doesn't feel safe. There's too much danger outside. I wish I had a gun.
We'll be out of here soon. Another one. Gotta get home before AJ can play with it.
Myślałem, że tego użyjemy do zrobienia pochodni.
Can't burn this without something to hold it up.
Aha.
No way we're swimming through that.
Clem, did you see Minnie out there? I didn't see her anywhere. But that doesn't mean she escaped. I don't know. Maybe she made it off in time. Maybe I'll
Kurde,
see her again.
nie zdążyłem mu powiedzieć.
I hope.
Sorry.
Might look nice in our room. Just have to get home
Krystal. Co chciałem wybrać? A nie widziałem, co tam było, że była ugryziona albo coś tam, nie?
okay.
To bym mu powiedział chyba po prostu.
All right. Hey, good. Look, there's another tunnel over there.
It's too far.
Well, we gotta find something to help us cross.
The walkers are getting closer.
No to przemilczałem.
Don't worry. We'll be home before you know it. Too far for us to jump across. There must be something we can use as a bridge.
Aha.
If I yank that out of there, it would drift down the river and get caught in the rocks. Could work as a bridge. Okay, we just need to go across one by one, and then we'll move the rocks out of the way. And then I'll take...
Ciś, ciś. No. To z głowy. Siema herki. Lili zabiłem. A kto Marten nie żyje, to w tej grze się nie sprawdza zbytnio. Siema Raptor. Leatherface to jest młody Leatherface. Teksańskiej masakry, tak. Tak, właśnie takie miał dzieciństwo i potem takie rzeczy robił.
Which way do we go? 10, do you see a light down any of these tunnels?
You brought this on yourself.
Clem!
But it's not too late.
Co?
Let go!
Co?
Him at least.
Co?
Follow us and I sprain your ankle. Follow us after that, I break your leg.
I won't let you take him!
I won't let you make him a monster. Not any further.
Clem!
Shh. You're coming with me.
You're fucking crazy!
I've warned you once. I won't do it again.
Oh, I'll take my chances.
I'll kill you before I leave her.
No.
You did this.
On jest...
You made him this way. You had him empty an entire clip into that woman's head.
It was only half a clip.
O, jest pierdolnięty ten synek.
Is this what you wanted? A boy who only sees an answer at the end of a barrel. Look at me and tell me this is what you wanted.
She deserved to die, and you know it!
By his hand? In that way? I've seen what rage like that can do if it remains unchecked. believe me. You don't want to see it with him.
No on by wolał, żeby wszyscy byli zombie, nie? Bo zombie są takie kochane i niewinne.
I liked it.
Aha.
I liked killing her. It made me feel strong. I don't care if it was murder. I don't care if it was anything. It felt good. Best feeling I've had in a long time. Maybe ever.
Mały też jest pojebany.
Alvin Jr., that is not what I taught you. Not about how you feel, how you treat people, how you
I'm
think.
teaching myself now,
The
Oh.
wrong lessons.
says you.
O!
I taught you killing Marlon was the right thing to do. I never said anything about finding joy in it.
AJ, you can't really believe that. Please, think about what you're saying.
Stay out of this or I swear I'll claw your fucking eyes
Neither
out.
of you are listening. Anyone that wants to hurt us should be dead. And I'm not sorry about it, and I'm not gonna feel bad about it.
AJ,
You say you didn't teach me this when you did. You always said surviving was the most important thing. Be strong, be brave, and if I can't stop the bad people from killing me, to kill myself first. Killing Lily made us safe. There's nothing wrong with liking that.
Ciężko.
I can't listen to this. You think you can change him? Do it then. Talk to him.
I'm not gonna stop Clem. I'm not gonna let people that wanna hurt us just walk around. You can't tell me to stop and expect me to get it. You can't tell me to stop when you know it just confuses me.
I know this world is hard. For us, for you especially. And killing, it's almost unavoidable these days. Having to do it, having to let you do it, we've learned we have to live with it. But you can't ever like it.
I don't know if I should have said I liked it. Maybe I don't know the right words for what I feel. Aren't you glad Lily's dead? You just said she deserved it. You must be glad I killed her.
It's complicated.
Because?
Because
Because why?
whether or not I'm glad Lily's gone isn't the point. We're talking about you.
You are talking about me. I'm trying to talk about us. It's always been us. I don't know why you're taking that away.
I swear I'm not. You weren't happy firing that gun. You were angry. Angrier than I've ever seen.
Siema Kuna Kuma.
I need you to hear me, AJ. You can't talk like this about killing anyone. Even Lily.
I've heard enough. It's obvious you can't teach him.
Czego on się rzuca mongą? Znaczy półmongą.
Get the fuck away from him!
You're not listening.
We hear you. You just don't understand who we are.
I understand you. I've seen your kind. The world is full of you. I've been you. All you know is violence, death. He could live a peaceful life, but it's like you won't let
Peaceful
him.
life w świecie zombie, gościu.
Might seem hard to believe, AJ. I know it does, but listen to me. No one has to die anymore. Not humans, not walkers.
James, this philosophy of yours?
This philosophy is what has kept me human. It's what will keep any of us human.
Pojebało. To jest childish fantasy.
It's like you read it out of a book of fairy tales, I swear to God! Where everyone could live in harmony if we all just wished hard enough. Open your eyes, James. The world isn't as simple as you like to make it sound.
So what is it then?
It may not be kill or be killed, but it's awful goddamn close.
Bo ludzie są tacy źli i pełni nienawiści, a zombie są dobre.
I'll find my own way. Next time you need help, ask someone else.
No i wypierdaj. Idź się tam pobaw ze swoimi kolegami. Zgnitymi.
Clem,
What is it?
he doesn't get it. Not like we do. Not like I do. Let me help you, Clem. Trust me to tell which people are bad. And that I won't ever use my gun because I like it. But only to keep our friends safe. Please. You can trust me to decide when it's right.
Jak będziesz miał 18 lat, to sobie będziesz decydował. Nie no, nie dam dziecku małemu, a w sumie nie wiem. Albo nie chcę robić co se chce. Który to jest epizod? A Kisej, możesz na przykład rzucić okiem na tytuł. Nie wiem, muszę się zastanowić. Muszę se coli nalać. Widzę tu za i przeciw. Mateuski w sumie ta. Nie.
I'm sorry, AJ. You're just not ready for that.
You don't trust me?
I
Jesteś
can't trust you
małym
to make those calls.
psychopatą.
You can't or you won't? Can't or won't? Which one?
I've raised you since you were born, AJ. And it looks like I have a long way to go.
Okay.
Feel that?
Yeah, that's the way out.
He left his mask behind.
Come on. Coast is clear.
No ty masz, Kuma, ciekawe informacje.
If the shore is that
Ciekawe
way,
rzeczy
the
wiesz.
school is probably that way.
Sim was the third.
Huh?
The day after AJ killed Marlon. You already know Violet and I voted for you to stay. Sim was the third vote.
Wait, that means Omar voted us out? And Ruby?
Yeah.
What made you think of that?
Sim said you knew how to survive. He could just tell the school would be safer with you there. I voted for you because I liked you. But his reason, it was better. I just thought you should know. Sim was right. We were safer. We were more scared than we let on when you met us. You made that go away.
Ja, dzięki.
That's really nice of you to say, Ten. Thank you.
That's okay. Now that we're out of danger and going back home, it just made me think of it.
I like a sim.
If Marlon was still in charge, we'd be taken away to wherever, or dead. Instead, we fought back, because you showed us how. We weren't safe with Marlon, even in his safe zone. We were just hiding.
A,
Violet! You made it. You're all alive.
Did everyone else escape?
Yeah, they're okay. They took the cart and headed back to the school. We're safe, Clem. All we gotta do now is find our way home.
Any idea which way that is?
I know an old bridge near here. If we cross it, we won't be too far from the school.
siema Konrad.
Well, we were looking for you guys, and I thought you might be gone for good. Shit. I was trying to figure out what I'd do if you were gone. And I realized how goddamn stupid I was about Minnie. For a whole fucking year. I was so wrapped up in losing her, and so tried to care about me. Brody, Lewis,
Na
even
kolejne
AJ,
prestiżowe
I
gry z
tried my
konsoli
damnedest
nowej
not to
generacji,
care
której
about either
widoki
of you.
zapierają dech
Because you were afraid of losing
w
someone else.
piersiach. Niech ci
It's
nie
understandable.
brakuje śmieszna
I was a
buzia
goddamn
pana,
coward.
Meksykano czy złote.
I'm not a coward anymore.
Dziękuję za piątkę.
Jesus, everything's so different now. Me, us, the school. I remember how Marlon described it, what we were gonna turn Erickson into. It's not the way any of us pictured it.
How did you picture it?
I guess I couldn't. I just listened to what Marlon said. How it would be a home. A real one, but I couldn't really wrap my head around it.
My family lived in a trailer. What about you? Where'd you live?
I lived in a house with my mom and dad. Fence around it, big backyard.
What was your favorite part of the house?
Nie pamiętam już.
I liked my bedroom. My parents painted flowers on the walls, and I had this little white bookcase.
What kinds of books?
Well, one of my favorites was about a family of kids living in the woods together in this old, abandoned train car. Then, it turned out they had this rich grandfather who took them to live in his mansion.
You got a rich grandpa who'll take us away from all this?
I don't think so.
Damn.
Nie pamiętam. No jasne, że nie pamiętam. Kurde, co wy mi każecie
You
pamiętać?
know, Erickson can still be
To
the
było
home
tak
Merlin
dawno, że...
promised. As soon as we get back, we'll start rebuilding.
It'll be a lot of work, but you're right. It is worth it. We'll have to move some bookcases into your room. Then you can read us stories about train cars and rich grandpas. After all that's happened, it's still hard to imagine. I mean, we fought for it, defended it. It should feel more like home than ever, but it doesn't. You know what the problem is? That stupid fucking name, Erickson.
You want to rename it?
Yeah, fuck that guy. We should name it something cool. Threatening, but not like scary. Something that makes assholes go, I should stay away. But not like
Gnijące
blood
te.
murder knife house.
What about the rotting shithole?
It's accurate and kind of cool, like a rock band. I'm in.
I want to help rebuild our school.
You will, Ten. We all will. We can start as soon as we get back. And let's get home to the rotting shithole.
Okay, just take your time and keep moving forward.
Dawno nic, no właśnie, zaraz coś będzie. Jezu, Jezu, czeszczy, już czeszczy. O, cool.
That's far.
Really far.
Should be able to jump it. It's not that far.
Yeah, I think we can. We just gotta be careful not to land too hard.
Minnie?
I did it. I found you. Oh, Ted. My sweet little brother. Come with me.
You're dying.
Yes. Yes, I am. I'm finally going someplace better. I want you there with me.
Where everyone gets to be a person again.
We're gonna go be with Mom and Dad and Sophie. Together. Ten, look at me. I know that looks like her, but your sister is gone. Don't you fucking speak to him! Any of you! Please? Please, Minnie, stop! He needs to be with his family! Don't do this! Don't worry, Ten. She can try to stop me. But I am not going anywhere without you. The night will be over soon. Get down! I'll help the boys across the
Ale to nie
gap.
czaję, to ona jest
Watch out for the
zombie, czy ona jest nie zombie, czy ona jest... co ona jest? Pół zombie? Co to jest? Nie było czegoś takiego. O kurwa, dobra, nie, to ewidentnie nie jest to, jak powinna się ta historia skończyć. A jest cała we flakach. Aha.
Down! I'll help the boys across the gap.
Ale nie było nigdy czegoś takiego jak zombie gadające i tak dalej, nie? LOL! Co?
Get down!
No ale ugryzieni i tak byli... I takich zombie atakowały zawsze przecież, to... Nie dawało im chyba ochrony żadnej, nie? Że byli ugryzieni. Ja nie wiem, co z tą babką jest tutaj. Kurde bele.
Down! I'll help the boys across the gap. Watch out for the walkers. but Ten won't budge. I have to stop her. Ah! You are not his family!
You were just something in my way.
O fucking. O, jak żadnie.
I'm taking Ten home!
Sorry,
Going!
ale nie. A teraz czemu ją zjadły? Nie!
Get across. I'll get Ten. Tennessee, move your fucking ass now!
Let him go! You'll die if you don't!
Nie!
Violence! Violence!
No i...
We gotta move.
To w sumie to tak dawno jej nie było, że nie zdążyłem się.
For you, stupid head!
Nie zdążyłem się z nią zżyć
Now! Or we'll die
na
too.
nowo. A oni wszyscy w ogóle są... Oprócz tej Clementine to oni wszyscy są pojebani.
The monsters are gonna trap us!
I know.
I'll climb, then help you down.
Bezsensowne w ogóle zachowania.
Hurry.
Ten!
Clem, look out!
No jeszcze nie chcę. Jeszcze teraz niech ten mały zginie. I będzie, że tamta bez sensu.
Go! We'll find another way.
Don't die! Clem, we can climb there!
Good idea. This first.
Clem!
I got you.
Oh, Jesus.
Go! I'm right behind you.
Co z tą pauzą?
Grab on!
Clem! Your leg!
I got bit. Come on. We can't stay here.
Kurwa, by se to owinęła jakąś szmatą, aby tą kurtką czy coś. Nie.
Keep moving.
Forward.
Forward.
Shit. No ale na razie ten epizod stoi wysoko w rankingu epizodów. Dobry jest, dynamiczny. Cześć Nauritimus, witam. I Rafał, i wszystkich, co nie przywitałem wcześniej, bo tu się dzieją... akcja się dzieje. I love you. Nie, no to takie babskie.
Stop thinking about it, AJ. There's nothing we can do.
There's gotta be something.
We have to focus on getting back.
Słuchajcie, zaraz znajdziemy w lesie tajne laboratorium, gdzie armia pracowała nad serum. I ja je wypiję i będzie wszystko dobrze.
Keep moving forward.
Look! James's barn. It's empty now. We'll be safe in there.
Run, now! Move! Go, AJ, run! I'm right behind you.
Czemu się wciska się te ku?
Come on, Clem! We can make it!
before they break through.
No, to tak to... Tak to my nie zajdziemy daleko.
Cover me.
Let them get inside. Hurry! AJ, over there! Hurry, AJ, cut it!
Tak.
Let them get inside. Good job, AJ. You did it.
Now what?
You need to find a way out of here.
We could climb up there. The monsters can't reach us up there. Let's go. Easy climb. Come on. Please. Try. You can't give up. You can't give up. I need you. I need you.
O Boże.
Oh, come on, kid. Don't be upset. This is just what happens sometimes.
But it wasn't supposed to happen to you.
My little goofball.
It's Alvin Jr.
You'll always be goofball to me. Hey, look at me. AJ, please. cutie. How did I get so lucky? Gotcha.
Please, don't be silly right now. Not right now. Please,
Hey, there's always time to be silly.
not this time.
Always means always. I need to make sure you remember.
Remember what?
The rules. What's number one?
Never go alone. So I can't leave. Not without you.
AJ,
It's your rule.
you won't be alone. Not for long. Get back to the school.
I don't know how.
Sure you do. One of the first things I ever taught you. You need to make sure they can't smell you, so... Grab that axe. There's a fresh, juicy walker just waiting to be gutted. You can use that axe to open it up. Cover yourself in walker guts.
I know how to do it, Clem.
I know you do. Next rule. What do we do when the monsters come?
Clem,
AJ,
A, to tamta,
shoot them in the head.
tamta chyba faktycznie była we flakach.
got any more ammo?
There isn't any more.
Okay then. Fuck. And the last rule.
I want to stay with you. I know what'll happen. And I don't care. I don't want to go. I just want to sit next to you and stay. Like that monster couple from the train station. Even if someone kills us later, we'll just sit for a really long time. Please. Let me stay.
No way, goofball. I worked way too hard for that. You're going home. And that's where you're gonna stay.
A do jakiego domu on niby ma wrócić? Przecież wszędzie
Okej.
są zombie.
I will.
Last rule.
No.
What do we do if I get bit? Are you gonna make me say it?
No to już lepiej tak.
AJ, you have to kill me. Don't let me become one of them. Be a good boy. Kill me.
No.
AJ, I'm coming. No.
Ale to... Ja tego nie pamiętam. Kiedy to było? Aha, to było co tu taka wielka... Co się tak przedzierało potem przez tę taką chmarę zombie?
I'm looking for a boy. He's about 3 years old. His name's Alvin Jr.
To nie chcesz, to nie gadaj. Ja słabo pamiętam to, co było wcześniej.
Please,
Kurwa.
please kill me.
Where are the children?
It hurts. Oh my God, it hurts so bad. Kill me. Take some of this shit. Another one? Fuck you.
I'm not messing around. Tell me where the kids are.
All right. That way. There's a nursery. But I'm not letting one of you savages take a kid!
Ja pierdzielę. No, mocny, że tak powiem, fragment. Taki mało przyjazny rodzinie. Bo przez to, że te epizody to jest głupie, bo pomiędzy nimi są takie odstępy czasowe, że już się zapomina, co było wcześniej. One wychodzą za rzadko, żebym ja pamiętał dobrze wszystko, co się działo przed tym. To by trzeba albo poczekać, aż wszystko wyjdzie i od początku sobie ograć
Sorry. So sorry.
jedno po drugim.
Don't worry. We're leaving soon. I've just got to grab a few things. No! AJ. AJ. It's me, Clem. Let's get you out of here, okay? Okay, now, where to? Can't go back to Richmond. This whole area is a war zone. Gotta...
Go?
Yeah, we have to go, AJ. This place, we can't stay here. It's not safe. But it's okay, we're survivors. And the first rule of survival is... never go alone.
Never go alone. Clem?
Yeah, that's right. AJ? Don't worry, okay? We're gonna be okay. Everything is gonna be okay. I know where we'll go. We'll go find ourselves a new home, together. And I'll never leave you again.
you.
Śliniak.
Who's a good girl? It's you, Rosie. Goodest girl in the world. Boom, boom. I give up. All right, girl. I'm gonna go put the spear away. Stay here and keep watch. Looks like a bad place to sleep. Nothing good. I should tell Willie this is here in case we need more bombs. V plus M. Violet plus Minnie. She used to be their friend. How can someone just make that go away? Beds are pretty good. Better than the ground. This place is cursed. Oh, that's scary. And mean. I think this place is good. Huh. It's getting kind of cold.
Siema, Daro.
I'll bring some sticks and stuff next time. Rosie!
Hey there. I know.
O!
Tim?
Hey, Jay.
Hey. Everyone thought you died. Because, you know, you're you.
No, I'm okay.
Good.
I'm sorry about Violet. I'm sorry I didn't listen to you or Clem. I'm sorry. I don't know why I mess up all the time. I'm just...
Dobra.
You loved your sister so much that you let her mess with your head. She was probably a lot different before, and that's all you could remember. And so you made a mistake.
You're just being really nice to me.
I mean it. It's okay what you did because of all of that. I don't think Violet would be mad at you.
I hope not.
It's probably because of all the trauma that's on you. Clem told me. If you find it, you're supposed to just sock it right in the mouth. I don't know where to find it, though.
So I'm just going to mess up all the time?
Probably forever. Yeah.
Oh, hey. I found this way down the river. Sorry it's so wet. I almost fell in when I got it. I figured you would want it back.
Yeah, I do.
You should wear it.
Nah, my hair's too big on my head.
AJ?
Why did it take you so long to come back?
At first, I was ashamed. So I followed the river for a long time. Just thinking about Minnie and...
Yeah?
I found their bodies. I saw what the walkers did to them. They were just bones and stuff. Meat. I could still tell who they were.
That's really sad and really gross.
Kind of.
Kind of?
No, I know it's that when I talk about it now. It wasn't when I was there. Do you know what naive means?
No, Clem never taught me that one.
Do you remember that drawing I made for you the night Brody died? With the house, and the walkers, and my sisters and me?
I remember. You said you sometimes drew your sisters like the walkers left them instead. We put it on the wall in our room. You drew me in. And Clem.
Naive means you think a certain way because you don't know the way it really is. When I saw Minnie's body for real, how the walkers left her, I realized those drawings were stupid. That house will never be real. I'll never meet my sisters again. The only thing real is when we're alive. I don't think I really know anything about the world, AJ. I think you do. Can you teach me to be like you instead? The way I think just gets people in trouble.
Okay. Everything I know, I'll tell you about it. The first rule is never go alone.
Hey, hun. It's getting late. Just coming to check on you. Dinner soon.
Tennessee? Thank God.
Hey, Ruby.
We gotta get you home. I swear.
I'm so hungry.
I bet. You coming with? Whoa. You found it? How did you...
Tin did. You guys go. I'll catch up. I'll be okay. Let's go home? Let's go home.
Atop the crags and cliffs, the air is thin. So we'll find a mountain path on down the hill. Meet me where the snow melt flows. It is there, my dear, where we'll begin again.
Tak? To jest z pierwszego sezonu? No, nie poznałem. Aha. O! Ten piękniś.
I've a friend who lives out by the river's mouth. He knows the fiddle's cry is an old sound. A lonesome bow, the creaks and moans of empty houses are songs like falling rain. Wind-blown buildings, muddy ground, the strength of water can sink a man. Take us back, oh, take us back, oh, take us, take us back. Take us back, oh, take us back, oh, take us back. When the higher hills have turned to blue and the waves are lapping where the children.
What you doing there, goofball?
Wiedziałem, kurwa, że tak będzie! Wiedziałem! To tak musiało być.
You're walking! And you had wood arm legs.
Crutches.
Crutches. I found your hat.
Ta.
Tin found it and gave it back to me. It was in the river and it's all wet now.
It's definitely seen better days. You know what? You keep it if you want it.
Tak, coś... Tak, pierw tak czułem, ale potem czułem, że nie, a potem zaś tak czułem, że tak może być,
Come with
a potem, że
me. I
nie,
want to show you something.
i teraz też już myślałem, że już tak nie będzie, ale jednak tak było.
So, what do you think?
It's for me?
Yep, Willie helped me put it together. Come on, let me push you.
I'm flying!
I'm flying!
You sure are.
Higher!
I'm trying.
Food's ready, everyone.
Ufa, to jest gra o zombie, no nie wymagajcie tutaj logiki jakiejś. Że się...
You're the best, Clem.
It's gonna get cold!
Come on, let's go eat. We're coming!
Lee śpi w kamperze. Rasista! Fajnie, teraz będziemy hepać przy stole.
AJ.
Kurwa, jak olacha.
What? It's good.
Seconds, please.
Already? You even taste that?
Idiot.
A tutaj jakieś tarło będzie, tu jest tarło. I no, że gościu nie ma języka, to że tak powiem ominie ich
Hey, Tim.
pewna
wanna practice?
kluczowa
I
część
can show you how to
pożycia.
use the gun.
Ale co ja wam będę gadał?
Okay.
Bez tego, no dobrze, przynajmniej kończyny ma wszystkie, to
So that's where you put the bullets.
jakoś to będzie.
When you shoot one bullet, it pushes another one up into the chamber. Oh, and you should always save the last one for you,
For me?
in case you're gonna become a monster and you don't want to.
Okay. Save the last bullet for myself.
Well, I'm getting tired, kiddo. Mind talking with me before I turn in?
Sure.
Chodzi o dialog. No, że tak. A o co innego?
Katja.
Sorry.
It's okay. I stare at it too. If it was just you and me alone out there, and I was like this, I don't know if I'd make it 2 weeks. I'm gonna need these to go anywhere. And if we ever had to run, it wouldn't be pretty.
Zrobimy ci nową stopę.
It's okay. I'll make you a new foot.
Oh yeah?
There must be a foot-making book somewhere. I'll ask Willie.
Okay. Find me the foot book.
Śliniak. Najlepszy bohater tego sezonu.
All this. It's worth it. All those times you would ask me if we'd find a home. All I could ever tell you was, we'll see. And your face would fall every single time.
It's better than saying yes and lying to me.
And that's what I told myself. But you want to know something I didn't tell you? I never had a plan. I never knew where we were going. I never knew anything. I just fought and fought and fought and hoped you didn't notice.
Ile ma lat? 18,
Helped
19?
me find something before you did.
Pełnoletnia jest. 18 chyba.
Did I do a good job?
Yes!
You tried really hard. That's all that matters, right?
It's part of it.
A big part.
When we were in the barn, you didn't listen to me. And if you had, I'd be dead. I shouldn't have said you weren't ready. Back in the cave, you showed me how wrong I was. You'll have to be strong for the both of us.
You made it so I can. So, thank you. For everything.
You're welcome for everything.
Gadżetowny w świecie zombie, mam nadzieję, marksistowskie, lewackie ideologie nie odnajdą miejsca. Przynajmniej tam. Jak już w naszym świecie tak nie jest, to... A to mi się podoba. Znaczy, mi się wszystko podoba. Fajny pomysł. Still not bitten team. I tutaj napisy. To takie świeże, to mi się podoba.
Okay, in you go. That looks like it tastes bad. I won't lick it.
Grzyb.
I won't. I wonder who you used to be.
No jak to z tego, z Hamleta.
I don't know how this works. This seems like really hard drawing. I'll ask Clem later.
To jest czaszka dinozaura.
Why did Clem collect so many skulls?
A co kolekcjonować w inwazji zombie? No przecież nie chyba kapsle. Kurde, Rosie to jest pies hodowany na sterydach. Chyba oszczekiwany teściem. Jakimiś anabolami.
It's like Lewis in a box. I wonder if you're hungry.
To jest ta łapka.
Hey there, Alvin Jr. You ready to rock?
Disco
You're
broccoli.
so cool, Disco Broccoli. Like, the coolest.
The coolest disco broccoli of all broccolis.
It's so cool looking. I wonder if it has magic powers. Nah.
Już myślałem, że tu będzie jakiś motyw, że się coś tu jeszcze...
He really is a good artist. This deserves to be on a wall.
Że coś tu się jeszcze odczaruje. Dobra, cała izba zawalona klamorami. Możemy kończyć z tym szałotem. A, w tym sensie. A czekajcie, a tu coś szło zrobić z tym? Nie. Nie, bo już... A, tak, jeszcze maska. Właśnie, a cały czas myślałem o tym, że to jest taki nieskończony motyw. Znaczy, nie jest skończony w zasadzie, bo nie wiadomo, co z tym typem się stało, nie? On tam se poszedł. No, ale nie wiadomo zasadniczo do końca. Dobra.
I'm coming.
Thank you for playing. Dajcie spokój, fajnie było. Przeszliśmy! Także brawo dla mnie i dla was. Bo to seria, którą zaczęliśmy jeszcze na hitboxie. Czyli z 3 lata temu. Albo i lepiej.
I wish I had something more to give you. You've been
Dobra,
feeling bad.
jak oryginalni byliśmy? 36% w powiedzeniu, że nie był gotowy, czyli oryginalnie dość. Ło, patrzcie! Tylko 12% graczy nazwało szkołę Rotting Shithole, czyli no gnijące... Wiecie, no shithole, nie wiem jak to na polski przełożyć dobrze, ale... Czajcie, o co chodzi. 77%, tutaj tak było dość. Tak, 89. Żeby nauczyć go. Chleb obsrany gównem, dokładnie. No, 26% graczy. No, że generalnie źle. Sfuriowany. Lily dead. Aj, to zła kobieta była. Violet dead. A to znaczy, że mogła przeżyć? 85 shaken. Bez języka. Skończył, ale żyje. 89. Repentant. A nie wiem, co to znaczy repentant. Zastrzelił chłopaka i Violet by przeżyła. Aha. 4/4. Wszystko zebrałem w tym epizodzie. Thumbs up. Tutaj co Clem mnie nauczyła? Fajne takie podsumowanie. Odrzucający. O, wszystkie moje wybory tutaj są z epizodu pierwszego. Z drugiego. A on nie mógł przeżyć chyba, nie? Ten, jak mu było? Marlon on się nazywa? Streamer empatyczny. Ja się tak racjonalnie starałem podejść do tematu. Nie mógł przeżyć. Tak mi się wydawało właśnie. A, skruszony. A, okej. Dobra, no i co? Krótkie podsumowanie. 4 sezony. Sezon trzeci ewidentnie najsłabszy. Pierwszy i drugi najlepszy. Ale ten też był dobry. Był o wiele, wiele lepszy od trzeciego. Trzeci był bardzo słaby. W trzecim to odcinki trwały po 1,5 godziny, z czego godzina 10 było nudy i 15 minut akcji na koniec. Także no trzeci sezon ewidentnie był słaby. Ten był ok. No i to już koniec. I tyle. Także dziękuję wszystkim za uwagę, którzy śledzili wszystkie tutaj przygody. Na moim kanale na YouTubie w playliście są wszystkie od pierwszego sezonu odcinki. Chyba wszystkie, chyba że któreś mi tam za prawa autorskie, ale chyba powinny być wszystkie prawie. Bo wszystko żeśmy przeszli, jeszcze właśnie od czasów hitboxowych. Także no było to gdzieś... Może i z 4 lata temu zagrałem pierwszy raz w to na hitboxie. No, to tyle. Dziękuję za uwagę. Zostawcie łapkę w górę, bo to już koniec. Nie spotkamy się już w The Walking Dead, przynajmniej nie w tej formie. No chyba, że się okaże, że jednak się spotkamy. Bo to już dużo razy tak było, że miało nic nie być, ale potem się okazało jednak, że twórcy muszą za coś jeść. I no. A jeszcze co do tego zakończenia. To no, chcieli tak, żeby się to tak pozytywnie skończyło. I tak... Ale jakby zginęła, to też by było dobre zakończenie. Takie gorzkie by było. Smutne, ale by też było dobre. Takie jest trochę naciągane, bo no... Nie wszystkim pozwolili przeżyć dzięki odcięciu kończyny. Także to jest takie naginanie trochę tezy pod to, żeby ona przeżyła. Ale tak sobie wymyślili i mi się to całkiem podobało. No. Czego goś stracił język? A to możecie się dowiedzieć oglądając poprzednie odcinki u mnie na YouTubie. Tyle. Dziękuję. Cięcie.